stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The shuttle will be departing momentarily for gates 100 through 129.
Orlando and Central Florida have so much to offer. There's a good chance you didn't see it through it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer, and we hope you enjoyed your Orlando experience.